In this video, I will show you step by step how you made $10,250 in 18 days promoting affiliate links using free traffic. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting. I will share with you how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services or products from your affiliate link and so much more. I will share with you new methods that you should start using if you want to earn some commission with affiliate marketing. Okay, I made this commission from the first day of April until the day 18 of April. So it took me almost 18 days to earn this commission, $10,250. Okay, this is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshot. Okay, as you can see, you can click over here. You have that affiliate, Fiverr affiliate. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payment, postback, sub affiliate commission plan, and so on. Okay. So anyway, for people who are interested and want to start making money with affiliate marketing, here is what you should do first. You will go back. So first go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy. You have just to use your email address and that's it. After you finish, come to this page and scroll down. Go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. They are really paying a good commission, guys, and you can make a lot of money with this affiliate marketing business. Okay, it's the best profitable affiliate marketing business that you can start. Okay, anyway, click over here on join now. And here you go, you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your country and choose your language. Okay, and if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. It's super easy, will take just few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates dashboard. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to choose a good and profitable services that people will be interested to buy from your affiliate link. Okay, and I will share with you one of my profitable affiliate link that I'm promoting on Facebook, and I will share with you how we can find people who will be interested to buy this new service from your affiliate link. Okay, so here is what you should do. You will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account like this, click on the search, and you need to search for Instagram promotion. Okay, search for Instagram promotion. I want you to pay a close attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, pro sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose one of those sellers. So for example, I will choose, for example, let's check this seller here. This one is top rated seller. I will create an Instagram hashtag growth promotion strategy. This is for hashtag. We don't need hashtags, we need Instagram promotion service. Okay, I will do Instagram marketing, manage, grow, and promote. Like this one is really good. This one is pro seller. This one is even really good. Okay, let's check this one. Just click on his service. And here you go, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. And as you can see, people keep coming back. This seller has 165 orders in queue. A lot of people are buying this service. So for people who are seeing in the comments, people will not buy those services from your affiliate link. This is not working. If it's not working, which people are buying this service? Okay, you can see here 165 orders in queue. You see how many reviews. You see the seller has 5 star and this seller is pro seller. So what you will do anyway, just copy this seller profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account like this and click over here, and you have here Fiverr affiliates, you have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, you have payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on deep link and put this seller profile link here. Click on save. Here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. Let's go to Facebook. You guys all have Facebook accounts. Open your Facebook account like this. Go to your Facebook homepage. Click on the search. Search for Instagram. Okay, search for Instagram followers. Like this. You have here filters. Scroll down, click on groups. We need Facebook groups, okay? And here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups here about Instagram that you need to join, okay? You guys don't know the potential of Facebook. You can get so much traffic from Facebook, okay? Did you know that Facebook has 16 billion monthly visitors? You can get so much traffic from Facebook. Millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, products, topics on Facebook groups. So you guys should start using Facebook, okay? Anyway, search for those groups. Make sure to join all those groups, and let's choose one of those groups. For example, I will choose this one, grow Instagram followers and follow back. I will click on this group. You will be directly in this home page of this group. Scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here sharing their Instagram links, okay? Their Instagram page links. Those people want to grow their Instagram page. That's why they are posting their Instagram links here to get more followers, okay? If we scroll down, we can find a lot of people. Here is a person posting his Instagram link here just today, as you can see. So what you will do next, let's take this one as an example, okay? I will click on his name and I will click on message, okay? So you need to send a professional and friendly message to this person who want to grow his Instagram page, okay? How we can create a friendly and professional message? It's super easy. We will use AI, okay? Go to Google, search for ChatGPT. We will use ChatGPT to create a professional and friendly message. It's for free, guys. This AI is really powerful and will help you to create a good message that you can send to your customers, okay? Search for ChatGPT, sign up by using your email address, click over here on message, and you can create this message or you can create your own message if you want. So I ask ChatGPT, create a friendly message that I can send to people on Facebook groups to convince them to buy Instagram promotion service from my Fiverr affiliate link. And here you go. ChatGPT created this a friendly and a professional message. Hey there, are you looking to give your Instagram profile a boost? I have found this amazing Instagram promotion service on Fiverr that have been super effective for me. They have helped me increase my followers and engagement, and I couldn't be happy with the result, okay? If you are interested in taking your Instagram game to the next level, I highly recommend checking them out. Plus, if you use my affiliate link, you will not only get to top-notch service, but also support me at the same time. Win-win, right? And you will put your affiliate link here. Amazing, okay? So let's copy this message. Let's go to Facebook and let's send this message to this person who is interested to grow his Instagram page. Feel free to reach out to me if you have. Okay, I will delete this part, guys, to make it like it's a human message. Okay, like this. Okay, scroll down and you have here the part where you will put your affiliate link like this. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 4 years now. So for you, you should see this one. They have new updates and you should see this Fiverr Pro new plan. Okay, copy your affiliate link from here. And as you can see, this affiliate link is so much long. I always like to make those affiliate links short. I always use those websites. This one, like this one, I put my affiliate link here. You can click on shorten and your affiliate link will be short link. Okay, and it's not okay. Let me see here. I can edit this. Okay, click on shorten. I will re-upload this page and you can put your affiliate link here and click on shorten, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be short link like this. You can copy your affiliate link from here and you can go back to Facebook and you can put your affiliate link here. It's super easy and it doesn't matter. You can put your affiliate link like you copied it from Fiverr affiliate. Okay, it's not important. Then click over here on send. Okay, press send and your affiliate link will be sent to this person like this. Okay, this is your message, professional and friendly message with your affiliate link. If this person is interested to grow his Instagram page, he will click on your affiliate link. If he click on your affiliate link, he will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. He will see this seller has a lot of orders in queue, people keep coming back, a lot of reviews. He will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, and this seller is providing 5% off for your first order. That's really good. So, and that's it guys. Okay, those people are posting their Instagram page here to grow their Instagram page, to get more followers and get more engagement. Okay, here is another person just posted his Instagram page. If we click on this link, let me show you. So the business model is clear. Okay, it's just what's left is your work. They will stay consistent, they will keep improving. Here you go. This person has Instagram page posting cars, okay, pictures of cars. This person will be interested to grow his Instagram page. I will click on his name, click on message, send a professional and friendly message with my affiliate link to this person. If he is really serious and interested to grow his Instagram page, he will buy this service. Okay, because this seller will help this person to grow his Instagram page. This seller is a pro seller. He has experience in Instagram growth. He knows exactly how to grow Instagram page, and he will help this person to grow his Instagram page and you will earn commission, and that's it. The business model is clear, like I said. For people who are saying it's not working, it's working. The problem is you. Okay, so the problem is from your side, it's not the business model. If you maybe you are doing it wrong, you are not doing it correctly. So if you just do this method that I share with you, you can earn commission. You will earn commission. If you need to also get more knowledge, you can go watch some YouTube videos about how to sell. You need to learn how to sell, how to convince people to buy services or products from you. Okay, and that's it. You can use AI. If you don't speak English, you can use AI, and that's it. You just need to know how you can do it. I'm also guys working on a course that will be launched very soon. Okay, I'm creating a course that will cover everything from scratch, step by step. This course can be done in the next week. So if you are guys interested and you want to start making some serious money with affiliate marketing, comment in this video affiliate marketing and I will try to make it done very soon. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.